In this video, I'll tell you what to do if Wi-Fi connections are not showing in Windows 11. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. If you cannot see any wireless networks or one specific network has suddenly disappeared, start by restarting the Windows service responsible for Wi-Fi connections. Open the Start menu, search for Services and launch it. Scroll through the list until you find WLAN AutoConfig. Right-click it and select Restart, then close the Services window once the process is complete. Next, open the Start menu again, search for Device Manager and launch it. Expand the Network Adapter section and find your wireless network adapter. It should usually have something related to Wi-Fi or wireless in its name. Right-click the Wi-Fi adapter and choose Disable Device, then confirm the warning by clicking Yes. Once the adapter is disabled, right-click it again and select Enable Device to restart it. Now open the Wi-Fi network list and check whether the missing network has returned. If the problem is still there, open Windows Settings, go to Network and Internet, and then open Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down until you find Network Reset, open it and click Reset Now. Confirm the action by selecting Yes. After resetting the network settings, restart your computer. Once Windows 11 loads again, check the available Wi-Fi networks and see if your connection is finally showing. Starting with the WLAN service and Wi-Fi adapter is quicker, so I would only use the full network reset if those first two methods do not solve it. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.